Look who's here! Support your local vendors. Arroz, habichuela. Hey guys, it's Tuesday morning. We're about to go have some breakfast. It's currently 11 something. It's coming 11:44, so we're having a late start to the day. But I wanted to show you guys the Airbnb really quick before we head out. That is basically all of it. We're about to go to Champ's Diner to get some breakfast, go shopping, because Ariel needs some clothes. Today's like our date night, so we're gonna have like, I made reservations for a dinner at Modern Love Brooklyn, so I'm excited because I've been dying to go there. And then my mom and my grandma come tonight, so that should be exciting. And tomorrow I am filming with some special guests, and you guys will see that very soon. I'm very excited. But yeah, let's go eat some breakfast because I am starving. Waiting for the bus, and little shorty over here got some Jamaica. That's actually pretty good. Support your local vendors, Latinos, immigrants. And you need it, we need it. Tell them where we're at.
We are at the Metropolitan Museum of Art.
We got to the Metropolitan. We have food with us though. We don't know if they're gonna let us in, so we're gonna ask first. And if not, I guess we're gonna eat it and then go inside. We'll take you guys along to see some art with us. I don't know if I can record. I'm pretty sure I can't, but I'll take photos and do a little something. Ariel will. He's bad. He likes to be sneaky. But yeah, let's go look at some art. Art. How do you say art in Spanish?
Arta.
Art. Arte. El arte.
I gotta start over. No. So the exhibit was wonderful, as expected.
Highly recommend.
Yes, if you are rich, because it is $25 per visitor.
Gotta go. I forgot that you ordered that. Thank you.
Lower back in my...
Look what I have. Some quenepa. Look who's here.
I wasn't paying attention.
Las viejas.
I wasn't paying attention, and you know...
Ariel and I just got back from our date.
Oh,
My mother's getting on the fire escape.
She could have fallen down.
Out on the fire escape for the first time. Good morning. I'm recording on my iPhone because I don't feel like taking my camera out. But I'm walking to the train station. I'm about to go film with Rebecca from Vegan Bodega Cat. So we're about to go to a new vegan food court. And it has like about 3 restaurants inside of it. I didn't look too much because I kind of want to be surprised. Then I'm going to meet up with Rochelle from Re-Inspired, and we're gonna go to Orchard Grocer and Confectionery, and we're gonna try some vegan desserts. So, lots of food, lots of filming. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and make sure you guys also check out their channels and their videos, which I will link down below so you guys can check them out and subscribe to their channels. I'm out of breath, gotta go.
Hi!
I'm with Rebecca from
Vegan Bodega.
and we're about to try some food.
Yeah.
Yum! Make sure to check out her channel. I'm linking the video down below so you guys can see what we thought about it and all this yumminess. I'm hungry. Goodbye.
I'm so hungry.
Getting those good angles.
What the shit you do? Ice cream cake with there's also like a layer of whipped cream. That tastes great. I'm happy.
Oh my god.
I'm living my best life.
This is so good.
Alright guys, I've been hanging out with Rebecca and Rochelle all day. It's been great. They've been very great hosts. New York has been amazing. Follow them, check out their links down below.
It was great to finally meet Jeremy. I've known him online for like a whole year.
Yeah.
Perfect angel.
Yes, thanks. Oh no, you guys are the perfect angels. But make sure to follow them, check out their videos, and yeah, love you guys. You guys are cute.
Bye.
Hoy Gloria va a cocinar nuestro dinner.
La cena son arroz, que tú querías arroz,
Arroz, habichuela, empanadilla de carne y queso, tostones, ¿qué más?
y pollo.
Y pollo. Alright guys, so we've been chilling and now we're off to the Brooklyn Bridge to see it at nighttime. Taking my grandmother down the stairs. We're gonna take the bus there, which they don't really do, even though there is buses and trains in Connecticut, but ¿cómo te sientes?
Ay, ganas de seguir durmiendo.
Vente, vámonos.
Mira. ¿Qué pasó?
¿Cómo te sientes?
Hace años, muchachos. ¿Cuánto es? Como diablo.
We're walking to the Brooklyn Bridge Park. Don't know where we're going, but you can't make it. It smells like shit.
I'm sorry.
Hi guys, so we are walking down the bridge. We're about to go and hit up the club. We're headed back to the Airbnb. My grandma's tired and I'm tired. We're all tired. So we're gonna go back to the Airbnb, get some rest. Tomorrow is July 4th and it's gonna be a fun day. We're going to Coney Island.
Coney Island!
Coney
Island! Woo!
So we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. So we are at Queens Corona Park. We came to see this Men in Black thing. I also just read that it wasn't actually filmed here. It was filmed at Universal Studios in California. So my life is a lie. I would want to see the actual globe, but I don't know if it's here. But we just picked up my aunt and my little cousin from the airport. They just got here this morning from Orlando to celebrate July 4th with us. We're gonna go back to the Airbnb in a few to pick up my grandma. And then I guess we're gonna go to Coney Island after eating some breakfast. So let's keep on exploring.
I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya.
Coney Island. This shit is packed. There's so many people here. We just set up the chairs, the towels. We got food, we got water, we got soda, we got everything. My grandmother and my aunt are on their way. But look at this shit. So packed. So we're about to chill, enjoy this. And this is pretty much the end of the vlog. So I'm gonna wrap it up here with July 4th, and I will see you guys in the next one.